Hello guys, welcome back on AudioTribe YouTube channel. In this video I will make an unboxing of the new JBL Partybox 330 and give you my first impressions. But let's talk about the price, because the price in my opinion matters very much. So I paid for this speaker around $650 to $700, and it cost almost the same as much as the JBL Partybox 520, so it is pretty expensive. Of course I will make some cross comparison videos in the next couple of days to see the power, the specs of this speaker and which is better. But at first sight this is quite expensive, you know. But let's see what we have in the box, let's see the specs, and at the end of this video I will make a sound test and I will give you my first impressions. Of course this video, it is not sponsored, it will be my honest opinion. So let's start with the unboxing. Here we have a power cable, a long power cable, and of course the manuals that no one reads. This looks good, so let's take a closer look. Okay, so let's see the interface. Buttons, as you see, it is identical with the JBL Partybox 130. We see here that it has the Aurake's multi-connection button, the bass boost, of course the button that switches between the modes, and we see here the front face. This is the handle. I like how it looks. I don't like that it's wobbling this much, but it looks premium. It has multiple steps. Of course on the back here we find that it has the wheels, the bass port, of course the inputs. It has the optical, the mic and the guitar, the aux, the USB, the daisy chain. So it is identical with the JBL Partybox 130. And of course here we have the battery. I think this is the battery that we use the JBL Partybox 520. Okay, so let's see how it will start. Oh, and I see here that it has where you can place the microphones. On the sides it looks identical with the 130, and let's turn it on. Ooh, it is nicer than the JBL Partybox 130. Let's switch between the lights. Okay, lights feature. Okay, I will leave it for now like this. Yeah, it looks much better than the JBL Partybox 130. Of course I don't see the LEDs, but it has this new layer of LEDs and I really like how it looks. Of course when I press this button, the mode button, we'll see here the lights and the level of the battery. It is almost 50%. I will put it on deep bass, and now let us connect it to the JBL One app. It is connected, and now let's enter JBL One app. Okay, save, set up device, JBL Partybox 330. It has 49% of the battery. It is connected to the smartphone. USB-C port, working mode, update, yes. So we need to update the product, but we have the light control, the effect lab, the pitch shifter, guitar volume, JBL signature. I will leave it on JBL signature. Let's go to customize. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 layers of adjustment, but I will leave it on JBL signature because I love it very much. Playtime boost, bass boost on deep, stereo pair. I'm sorry, I have many lights here and it's hard. Okay, so that's it. We can toggle between the lights. Yeah, it looks very good. And I will show you my preferred. The neon, it is my preferred. Okay, let's test the sound of this speaker. Of course, it has two tweeters on the top and two 6.5-inch woofers, but compared to the JBL Partybox 320 that we have in the back, this speaker has 280 watts of power, while this one has only 240. So with the same size of the woofers and of the drivers, we get much more wattage power, so it should be louder and intenser, but we will check that out in another video. Now let's put a song and see how it will sound. Remember, if you like this song, please subscribe and become member on AudioTribe YouTube channel, because there you can find the music that I test the speaker with.
Turn it up, let it bite. Feel that pressure in your ribs. I came here to shake the floor. Every tune get pushed in. AudioTribe, check the sound. Hit that warning in the click. If they crack, then crank it more. I want heavy, I want sick. Count it down. Hold your breath. Watch it bend, then detonate. AudioTribe. Test the speaker. Bend the room. Make it weaker. AudioTribe. Test the speaker. It's so hard, it hits deeper. Drive. Test the speaker. Dust on the grill, still fine. Blue light strobe on the stack. Every note got teeth tonight. Every hit comes slamming back. I don't want it polite, I want glass in the chest. When that low end drops the jaw, tell me which one passed the test. Lock it in, no escape. Here it comes, open wide. AudioTribe. Test the speaker. Bend the room. Make it weaker. AudioTribe.
The sound, it's crazy. So I made my mind with this speaker. I am very glad that I buy this speaker. It cost me around $650 to $700, so it is really expensive, but the sound, it is amazing. We get deep bass, very powerful bass, we get no distortion, it is very loud. I really love the new design of the second layer of the lights. I don't like that it doesn't have the LEDs, but I like the new LEDs. I like the modern interface on the top. I like that it has 18 hours of playing time. Of course, not at full volume, but probably at 30 to 40% of the volume, it will be very good. I like that it has the Aura case, the IPX4, and yes, it is an expensive speaker, but in my opinion it is a big upgrade from the JBL Partybox 320. Of course, I will make a couple of tests in these days, and I will give you my full review about the speaker, but till now, yes, the sound is very good. I bet this speaker has better drivers. They have the same 6.5 inch woofers, but it hits the bass better. I don't know how, but probably through software engineering or inside of this case. But I really love how it sounds, so I'm very curious. What do you think? Will you pay $650 to $700 on the new JBL Partybox 330, or will you buy the amazing JBL Partybox 520? I bet the new 530 will be very cool. Probably it will have the same 2 layers, but I hope that we will see the lights, the LEDs, you know. Yes, thumbs up for JBL. I really love this speaker, and yes, I want to put it to test to Sony speakers, to Samsung speakers, and to other speakers, even JBL speaker, to see which speaker is the best for us. But if you want to throw a medium party outdoors or a big party indoors, this is the speaker to get. Of course, it has the Aura case, so we can connect multiple speakers together and have serious sound, you know. So till then, please subscribe on AudioTribe YouTube channel. If you want to check the songs that I test the speaker with, you will find that in the members only. Of course, this song will be available in a couple of days. And yes, this is the new JBL Partybox 330, and it's worth it. What do you think? Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel, and please hit that like button. Cheers.